What's going on, guys? So in this video we are going to do water bottle flips. And by the way, Weston, if you're watching this, I'm not trying to copy you. I had the idea and then I saw that you posted your video. Just saying, I'm not trying to copy anybody, but I kind of am jumping on the bandwagon of doing water bottle flips. So anyway, here are mine. By the way, I am horrible at this, so yeah. Okay. I told you guys I was horrible at this. Oh boy. Well, definitely was not expecting for that to explode. But such joy, isn't it? Oh gosh. I don't know what to do now, honestly. You know, I could chase people with a chainsaw, dress up as a clown. No, just kidding. That's like, bleh. No, don't do that. Well, here's what happened. So yeah, I could probably, you know what? I'm gonna show you that in slow motion. Here it is.